Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best under eye stick is probably one of the most sought after beauty products in recent years, promising a quick and easy solution to combat those pesky dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness that can make us look tired and older than we feel. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your skin type and concerns? In this video, we will explore the top under eye sticks on the market, helping you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. The SAEM Iceland Hydrating Eye Stick. It's compact, but this little eye balm is packed with hydration and cooling benefits. You'll see amazing results with every use. This balm is specially designed to cover the delicate eye area, reducing wrinkles and puffiness. It improves elasticity, giving you a toned and lifted look. Enriched with Iceland glacier water and other natural ingredients, it's a soothing and effective treatment for your under area. It's gentle yet powerful. Its lightweight and cooling texture makes it easy to apply and absorbs quickly. You'll love how fresh and refreshed your skin feels. The convenient stick format makes application simple and mess-free. Use it under makeup or on its own, whenever you need a boost of hydration and coolness. It's free of sulfates, essential oils, parabens, mineral oil, and allergens. Give your eyes the gentle, nourishing care they deserve. What we like. This balm is super lightweight and refreshing. If you have puffy eyes or want an easy way to add hydration throughout the day, this is a great option. Its unique stick applicator makes it easy to use on the go, anytime you need a boost of coolness and moisture. What people say. The texture is velvety smooth and it's very easy to apply. It has a slight cooling effect initially too, which is nice. It doesn't feel greasy like other eye creams, and while it doesn't make impossible claims, it quietly does its job effectively. The cooling metal tip instantly depuffs and refreshes tired eyes, while the hydrating formula leaves the delicate skin feeling smooth and moisturized. Number 4. Brickell Men's Restoring Eye Cream. This cream is specially formulated to help men look and feel their best. It tackles multiple concerns to give you a more youthful appearance. It effectively minimizes wrinkles, reduces under-eye bags, and diminishes puffiness around the eyes. See a visible improvement in your eye area. This cream helps to lighten dark circles, giving you a brighter, more energized look. Say goodbye to tired eyes. It absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, making it perfect for everyday use. Enjoy a comfortable, non-shiny finish. Made with natural and certified organic ingredients like aloe, peptides, and green tea, it's gentle on your skin. Experience the power of nature. Brickell Men's Restoring Eye Cream is trusted by over 1 million men worldwide. Join the many who have seen amazing results. As a leading natural and organic skincare company for men, we're committed to providing high-quality products you can trust. We stand behind our products with a satisfaction guarantee. What we like. It's formulated with natural ingredients to reduce puffiness and dark circles. If you are looking for a natural and unscented option that's gentle on the skin, this is the one for you. It absorbs quickly without any greasy residue, making it perfect for men who want a simple, effective solution. What people say. The cream is lightweight, unscented, and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. In just this short time, I've noticed reduced puffiness and some improvement in the dark circles under my eyes. Pros: lightweight, unscented, not greasy, moisturizing. Reduces puffiness. Its lightweight formula quickly calms any puffiness, which is especially helpful after a long day or an early morning. Non-greasy application. Unlike some other creams, this one absorbs beautifully into the skin, leaving no greasy or shiny residue. It's perfect for daily use. Number 3. VELAMO Advanced Retinol Eye Stick. This innovative eye stick is a multi-treatment balm, designed to give you younger-looking, brighter eyes. It's a powerful yet gentle solution for various eye concerns. It visibly reduces fine lines and dark circles, while boosting bounce and moisture. You'll see noticeable improvements in just 3 to 4 weeks. Simply glide it around your eye area in small circles after cleansing. Start with once every 2 to 3 days, then increase to daily use as your skin adjusts. It features encapsulated retinol, peptides, vegan squalane, and astaxanthin. These powerful ingredients work together to target signs of aging. We're confident you'll love the results. If not, we offer a hassle-free refund. Your happiness is our priority. Experience the transformative power of this unique eye stick. Say goodbye to dark circles, puffiness, and wrinkles, and hello to more confident, radiant eyes. What we like. This retinol eye stick is clinically proven to reduce fine lines and dark circles. If you are looking for a product with visible results and are comfortable using retinol, this is a great choice. It's also suitable for use on the face and body, making it a versatile addition to your skincare routine. What people say. This product is a must-have for your pre-makeup routine. It deeply hydrates the under-eye area and ensures that your concealer stays smooth and fresh throughout the day, without settling into fine lines. Its portable design is another plus. It goes on smooth and easy. I had zero irritation, no fragrance, and the best part is that it works. Even with the first application I could feel the difference. I've been using it for 3 weeks and has helped with crepey under eye and lines. I love how easy this is to apply, as you just rub lightly on your face and you're done. Because it is retinol, you also know that it is doing a great job. My skin looks more tighter and silk after just a month. Number 2. TULA Eye Balm Glow and Get It. This innovative eye balm is formulated with probiotic extracts and skin superfoods for a healthy, balanced glow. It's clean, clinically proven, and effective without live cultures. Experience the firming power of peptides and collagen. It deeply hydrates and reduces the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and puffiness. You may feel a pleasant cooling sensation. It features caffeine, apple, and watermelon to firm and improve the look of puffiness. Use it anytime for a brighter look. It's portable and easy to use. Apply it under makeup or at night for refreshed-looking eyes in the morning. Wake up to a more radiant, youthful-looking eye area. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. Discover the TULA difference. Our products are designed to help you achieve your best skin yet, naturally and effectively. What we like. This balm is formulated with probiotic extracts and skin superfoods. If you want a hydrating and brightening eye balm that's perfect for on-the-go use, this is it. It's also great for use under makeup, providing an extra boost of hydration and radiance. What people say. The TULA Eye Brightening Balm has become a staple in my skincare routine, and I absolutely love it. This little stick packs a serious punch when it comes to reducing puffiness and giving your under-eye area a refreshed, radiant look. The cooling sensation when you apply it is so soothing. It's perfect for those early mornings when you need an instant wake-up. It glides on smoothly, and the lightweight formula doesn't feel heavy or sticky. I especially appreciate how hydrating it is without being greasy, making it a great base under makeup. So far, this cooking stick seems to be helping with puffiness. Very pleasant on the skin, and it gives a hint of lightness and glimmer as well. Number 1. KAHI Eye Balm Multi Balm. This all-in-one balm provides complete care for the delicate skin around your eyes. It moisturizes, reduces fine lines, and is gentle enough for sensitive skin, addressing multiple concerns at once. It's infused with ingredients to soothe the under-eye area, boost elasticity, and brighten the skin. You'll notice firmer skin and a reduction in dark circles for a more youthful look. With a unique, low-water formula, this balm is packed with active ingredients. It reduces sagging, improves elasticity, and helps restore your skin's natural barrier. This balm absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, locking in moisture all day long. It keeps your skin hydrated and balanced, no matter the weather. See visible improvements in various lines, including crow's feet and forehead wrinkles. It improves skin elasticity, texture, and radiance, leaving you with a refined and youthful appearance. What we like. This all-in-one eye balm offers comprehensive care for the delicate skin around your eyes. If you're looking for a product that moisturizes, brightens, and firms the skin, this is a great option. It's also perfect for addressing various eye concerns in one easy step. What people say. It's truly a multitasking miracle worker. This lightweight balm provides intense hydration without feeling greasy, and it's incredibly effective at minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I use it as a moisturizer, a primer under makeup, and even as a soothing balm for dry patches. The texture is smooth and it glides on easily without leaving any sticky residue, which I love. The packaging is also sleek and compact, which makes it perfect for tossing in my bag. In terms of results, I've definitely noticed my skin feels softer and more hydrated after each use. It leaves no white cast and helps with hyperpigmentation. I like this product. I see myself using it when I'm out working or going to class. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.